Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva app full tutorial. So let's get started. So now I'm going to guide you on how you can use Canva right here in creating template and having an output. So the first thing is we're going to find a template right here, because the biggest power of Canva is that you would be able to find superb templates right here. So now I'm going to show you how. So you want to tap on the templates button on the bottom of your screen right here, so that you would be able to see only the templates right here. So you can see the recommended templates right here by Canva that Canva thinks is the one that you would need. So you can see it right here. Or if you already have a specific template in mind, then you can just use the search button, and maybe you want a party poster, then you can just search for it right here, party poster. And then you want to search for that. And then from here, you can already see superb results of what you have searched for. These are the party poster available for you to edit here on Canva. And then the next thing is you can also have something right here. So if you want a presentation template, then you can just tap here. As you can see, you can tap presentation, and then you would see presentations right here, depending on the size that you want right here. There are so many variants depending on what kind of template that you are looking for. All right, so now that you know how to find a template, now let's proceed into creating a project right here. So we're gonna tap on the plus button right here. And from here, you can create a custom size of your project depending on what you want. So from here, you can choose a custom size. So let's say we would want a presentation size. So we'll be tapping on this one. And then Canva would be presenting as a canvas with that size. And from here, we can choose a template that we want. And all of the templates that we will see right here is same to the size that we have chosen on the canvas. So you don't have to worry about templates not fitting the right way with our canvas right here, because everything here is in the right size. So let's just pick something simple right here so that I can show you the controls. Maybe this one right here. But as you can see, it has the pro version right here. It has the crown symbol. So that means you can only use this if you are in the pro version. So since we're just in the free trial version, let's just choose something free. So let's say I want this one right here, and I'm going to apply it, the all 14 pages. So I'm going to tap this right here. And as you can see, all the 14 pages is now here in my project. So now that we have that, the next thing that we're going to discuss is this one right here. So you have the design right here, design button. This is where you can see the templates right here and the pages of the templates. And the elements is basically where you can add elements to your project. This is basically where you can use the AI image generator, the shapes, the graphics, the videos, the photos right here. You can see even the audios. You can also use that right here. The charts, stickers, frames, grids, everything that you need right here is available. So as you can see right here. And take note that there are also some pro elements, so that means that you can't access them without the pro subscription. And you can go here for the text right here. You have some templates also for the text, the camera roll right here where you can see your gallery, and the brand right here. So these are mostly for pro versions right here. Try Canva Pro to use the brand. And here in the uploads, these are basically the things that you have uploaded here on Canva. So you can just go through it right here, and you can go for the draw section. You can just draw on your project right here if you need that, just like so. But we're gonna undo that right here. And you have the project section where you can see all of your previous projects, and you can open it here right away. And you have the apps if you want to integrate some apps here into your Canva to make your job easier. All right, so now that we have discussed the tools right here, so now we are going to discuss the options that you have when you are selecting an element right here. So let's say I want to tap on this text right here, and then you can see the options that we have. We can go to edit it. You can just edit the text right here, just like so. And you can go for the font that you want right here. You can choose the font. You can go for the text styles, the font size, colors, format, spacing, and so on right here. We're not going to go through it one by one since it would take a lot of time. And those are very direct. Anyway, you don't need some special explanation for that because it is very direct and very understandable. So those are your options when you select a text element. But what if you select a photo or a picture element. So when I select a picture right here, you can see these options. So you have style, effects, filters, adjust, crop, flip, animate, transparency, and so on. So it would depend on the kind of element that you are selecting right here, and you would have different options on how you can edit them or deal with them. All right, so now that we know that, the next thing is that you might want to collaborate with your coworkers or maybe some friends or classmates. Then what you can do to that is you can tap here on the send button on the top right of your screen. And then from here, you can click on invite, or you can just go for the share link. And all you have to do is copy the link right here and just send this to the people that you would want to collaborate with you. And make sure that you modify the access right here. So make sure that anyone with the link right here would be able to access that, so that they would be able to utilize the link. And then you can set the permissions right here. And now that you know how you can collaborate with other people, the next thing is how you can preview your presentation right here. In case you want that, then you can tap here next to the send button on the top. So you can tap on that. And then from here, you can see the presentation right here. And now let's go back. The next thing is transition. So what if you want to add transition in between pages? You can tap that by tapping on the plus button, as you can see in between the pages right here. You can tap on that, and then you can tap on transition, and then you'd be able to see some transitions right here. You can go for flow, and you can see how it would move right there. So that is how the transition would work right here. And now that you know that, the next thing is the two very important features right here, which is the undo and redo button, which is at the top right here. You can see those arrows right there. That is the undo, and the redo button right here in case you make some mistakes. So you can also utilize that. And yeah, those are basically the basics on how you can create a project right here on the control. So now that you know how you can edit and make a template like your own, now let's go back into Canva right here. And from here, the next thing is we're just gonna go here and the pro right here, and you can see that you have a 14-day free trial right here with the Canva Pro if you'd want that, and so on right here. So I just suggest that you go for the Canva Pro right here if you want to use Canva regularly, because that would be a really great help. And now lastly is the projects section on the bottom. As you can see here, projects, you can see all the recent projects that you have worked with right here. You can even see the start, the uploads, and so on right here. So this is basically where you see all your recent works. So that is basically it on how you can use the Canva app full tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.